नाम दीपाली श्याम है एंड ये है मिस श्यामा धुर्वे एंड मिस्टर डॉक्टर डोमी। तो आज हम इस मरियम के विषय में बात करना चाहेंगे। तो कुछ जो क्वेश्चंस हैं उनका आंसर मैं मिस्टर डॉक्टर डोमी सर से पूछना चाहूँगी। सर, पहला क्वेश्चन है आपके लिए, मरियम मगदलेना कौन थी?
मरियम मगदलेना, she was living in Magdalena village, and her business was the fishing business. Her parents' business was fishing business. And she was from near Galilee, 3 kilometers from Capernaum, and she was a rich, but she fell in with the love with money or something. That's why she became a prostitute, and she was a prostitute. In Bible also they mention that she was a sinner.
थैंक यू सर। एंड सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, मैं पहले क्या काम करती थी?
मरियम मैगदलेना एक तो फिशिंग के लिए असिस्टेंट करके रहेगी, और दूसरा चीज़ है कि वो उसका बिजनेस नहीं था, लेकिन शी वॉज हर्लट और प्रोस्टिट्यूट, सो शी वॉज डूइंग दैट प्रोस्टिट्यूशन बिजनेस।
थैंक यू सर। एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन है, मरियम मगदलेना खुद को बदलना क्यों चाहती थी?
She visited Jesus Christ many times. She was following Jesus Christ. I think same age. I think Jesus was 33, and maybe she was 33 years. So she was following Jesus, and she was witnessing all the miracles. Jesus healed the blind person, Jesus healed the leprosy person, Jesus healed many diseased person. So she was witnessing this Jesus Christ. So she like Jesus Christ's miracle, and that is his divinity and message, soft message, good message. So she can hear. So she was a follower of Jesus Christ.
मरियम मगदलेना से ऐसा क्या हुआ कि वो बदल गई?
उन्होंने she saw Jesus Christ as a God. He is a God. So and his miracle, tremendous miracles, healing the blind, healing the leprosy, and giving the sermons not like other fellow. He was a very kind person, very sympathetic person, a very loving person. So she attracted the Jesus Christ message, and she has increased her faith value, and she want to come to closer to God and want to change her life. What was she was doing, change his life, her life. So that's why she changed her mind.
थैंक यू सर।
मरियम मगदलेना ईसा मसीह के पीछे क्यों गई? क्या कारण था?
Jesus was a very unique person, and the Mary Magdalene saw many rich people like a soldier, Pharisees, politicians, all people here she might have seen, and many beautiful persons that she might have seen, many treasured people, rich people she might have seen, but she saw the Jesus, and she acknowledged herself that he is something different person. He changes the people, changes the disease, changes the people following him. So she wanted to follow her teaching. That's why she came to follow the Jesus Christ.
थैंक यू सर।
सर, मेरा छठा क्वेश्चन है आपसे, मरियम मगदलेना ईसा मसीह क्यों चाहती थी?
So Jesus Christ was saying that I am the Son of God, I am the God. So and I am a Messiah, I am release the sins or pardon the sins of the people. I am the Messiah, and so I will give the relief, and I will pardon the sins of people. So she was a sinner, so she wanted to be clean from her sins, That's why she came. She was searching the place, searching the situation, so she can make what is that? The sorrow for her sins and change her life. That's what she did.
थैंक यू सर।
सर 7वां क्वेश्चन है आपसे, मरियम मगदलेना को अपने जीवन को बदलने की प्रेरणा कहाँ से मिली?
So she might have seen the scene of one girl caught in the adultery, and Jesus said that one who is not seen a single sin throughout his life, he can cast the stone at that lady. And that lady is that sinful adulterous lady. Jesus Christ has have pardoned her, and he rescued from death penalty. That incident might have hurt the mother, that Magdalena. So this incident is caused her to come to Jesus.
थैंक यू सर।
8th क्वेश्चन है आपसे, रोमी साम्राज्य का पद क्या था?
Roman Empire was throughout the Mediterranean area. So that the Romans has captured the Jerusalem, and they were under the captivity of Romans. So Romans were very cruel person. They don't want to collect the mob or something. One thing. Then they should be not rivalry against Romans. There should be no preaching against Roman government. There should be no collecting people and making some noise and gathering people and having function. So they want to have the rule to control the people and control the masses, control the mobs, control all the functions. So all the function has to take the permission from this, and so they were all the Jerusalem people or the Judean people were under the captivity of the Roman Empire.
सर मेरा 9वां क्वेश्चन है, मरियम मगदलेना बड़े बड़े सिपाहियों और नेताओं को कैसे जानती थी?
Mary Magdalene was a very beautiful lady, and she has encountered with many soldiers. So soldiers used to come with her, then Pharisees used to come with her, then all the rich people used to come. If you want to have the story or history of prostitute of this Jerusalem, so they have got two kinds of prostitutes. There are some temple prostitutes out there, and some are the private prostitutes out there. So she was considered as a private prostitute. So there is a loophole of their law, so they can go to prostitute or something. So these rich people have a lot of money, power or strength. So they used to go to this mother, so that is Magdalena. So she knows all the rich people, all the soldiers. That's why she knows all the rich people and soldiers.
थैंक यू सर। एंड आपसे मेरा 10th नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, पंछियों के यहाँ भोजन करते समय ही मरियम मगदलेना ईसा से मिलने क्यों गई?
This is the law of empire of the Romans. They don't want to meet and have the more mob or something. So she wanted to meet them quietly, and she was a sinner. She was a prostitute. So she saw that there is a dinner party inside, and Jesus is alone. Only for some people are there for dining. So she chose the safest way to meet Jesus.
थैंक यू सर। एंड आपसे मेरा 11th नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, मरियम मगदलेना कैसे भीड़ को चीरते हुए गई?
Mary Magdalene was a very daring girl, or I can say woman, and she is as beautiful as she was, and she was a rich, not she was not a beggar or something. So she was a very rich, and she has got a reputation among the Israeli people, even soldiers and previously as soldiers. So she wanted to that I think God has put the in her mind that you contract your heart, go to Jesus, ask the pardon your sins. He will pardon your sins. She has a strong faith in Jesus Christ, so that was not nobody had. This is the very mostly I am preaching or I am teaching the people that Mother this Mary Magdalena was the strong person, so she wanted to have she is a faithful woman, very trustful woman. She said that Jesus Christ is the God, Jesus Christ is the Messiah, and He is the He will cleanse my sins, He will pardon my sins, He will take away my sins. He was a God gave you strong faith in Jesus Christ. So that's why she has chosen that place, and Jesus is sitting in the dining table. She came and meet him.
थैंक यू सर। एंड आपसे मेरा 12 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, उसकी अंतर इच्छा क्या थी और वे अकेले क्यों आई?
So this lady always carrying the mob. Mary, if you see the when Jesus Christ has died or something, Mary Magdalena, all the Marys, 2-3 Marys were there. Then all the ladies, Mary and Mary Magdalene, other 2-3 ladies, means mob of ladies used to come to Jesus Christ, and they used to support Jesus Christ and his disciple. So Mary Magdalene was always coming to mob, but now she has to. She saw that I'll go alone, because if I go to a crowd or something, they may not give permission to enter this dining room. So she saw that if anything happen, she fears the mob. She fears the mob. By daring, she entered alone. She is a girl or woman. She didn't frighten anybody. She has got a strong faith, and she said, if I say something, Jesus Christ will not deny anything. So she has got a very nice, very strong faith. Then she came alone.
थैंक यू सर। एंड आपसे मेरा 13 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, जब वो ईसा से मिलने आई तो अपने साथ क्या लाई?
So she brought this perfume to because it is a very mystical thing. That's why she might have brought the money, she might have brought the fruit or something, but she brought the perfume. The perfume in Israel's tradition, as when a person dead or something, after two days or next day, they put the perfume on dead body. That is their tradition. And another perfume people put on their body to get the nice smell to others, means fragrance to others. So another sorry. That's why she brought the perfume. And perfumes idea, or perfume's inner idea was Jesus told in his sermon that she has done my love. When I'll die, she has done the put the perfume on my body, and that message will spread throughout the word, afterwards he prophesied the same thing also.
थैंक यू सर।
Okay.
एंड 14 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है आपने, मैं अपने साथ सुगंधित द्रव्य क्यों लेकर गई? वो तो पैसे भी ले जा सकती थी और भोजन भी।
So she know that Jesus Christ doesn't need the money. That is one thing. Then food, Jesus Christ doesn't need the food. Then what Jesus Christ will need, that the oil also he was not he will not need or something. But for her, she said, I will wipe the feet of Jesus Christ with oil, and this I'll wash this oil, this perfume on my hair. She has got a very long hair. She was beautiful, so she wanted to have a theory that she should confess, she should pardon for her sin from God, and it was the what is that? The crying with like anything, and washing Jesus Christ's feet with her hair.
एंड सर आपसे 15 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है, उसने भोजन समारोह में क्या किया?
So she entered the house of the Pharisees, Simon, I think so. So and she came inside and kneeled down. She kneeled down to Jesus' feet, and she poured the oil, this perfume on his feet, and they starting wiping her feet with her hair. So if you know that perfume was very costly. So my type of perfume bottle was very small one, but she has washed Jesus Christ's feet more than perfume than this tears. So she has washed Jesus Christ's feet with more tears. No more tears, means sorrowful tears she has washed, not the perfume. Perfume was very less, so perfume was not sufficient for, and perfume we have words in the ear also. So she washed the feet with tears.
थैंक यू सर।
So this message I wanted to give. This is a very typical and very important message. These girls are wanted to have this. This is a very Magdalene's story. They wanted to know the different way. So made their questionnaire and say they wanted to have the more details, because if you read the Bible or if you listen from somebody, so it is very difficult to understand the Bible. So and one who interpreted the Bible, he should know the meaning of the interpretation of the Bible. So they came to me, they are coming to me, and then I am telling them very easy way. So my language is normally English tongue. So I used to explain with the English, and they also know the English. And this broadcasting, it will help to in English. So anybody can, if I say in Hindi or if I say in Marathi or if I say Tamil, so it goes by region or state-wise language. So this language is international language, and we are having this mission, Women's International Ministry. So this is international mission. So that person, we are talking about all the women in the Bible, and we are giving more references from the Bible. Thank you very much.